Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically add new apps to home screen on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Android phone and this is my Android home screen. First thing first, we need to tap and hold on any empty area on our home screen. And then we have to go to the settings, and if we want to automatically add new apps to our home screen on Android mobile phone, we can activate this feature, add new apps to home screen. Click on this toggle button to activate it. And right after you activate this feature, anytime you install new application on your Android mobile phone, the application will be automatically added to your home screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can automatically add new apps to home screen on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.